Hello, this is Brian. I'm doing my final video for Lasfit of my car. I got a sponsorship, so I got all the remaining LEDs that will work for this car. So here it is. Show you the back. If you can see it, there's the reverse lights. And you can see the LEDs. Well, they're there. You can definitely see the difference. Here's the right turn signal. And the front end with the LEDs, the front side marker headlight, main headlight, turn signal. Now to the back again. Got the left headlight. Oh, and I got the side marker bulbs installed. These are the side marker bulbs right here. So, in the front. And you can see the turn signal working, the LED turn signal. Pretty bright. Now we have the brights on. These are pretty simple to install, the bulbs or the headlight bulbs and the turn signals. I'll show you. So all you do is remove this bolt, and then you probably need a screwdriver to pull this up, and this lifts, and then it just slides right out. When this is out of the way, then you can actually get down to the turn signal bulb. It's genius engineering on GM's part. That's one reason why I like GM vehicles so much. Alright, now for the interior. Unfortunately, they do not have the type of bulb that is needed for that dome light, but as you can see, LEDs, Lasfit LEDs are installed for the rear back seat bulbs. They're pretty good looking. I did find a type of bulb on Amazon that I'm going to put in for that dome light. This is a base model Grand Prix, by the way, and they didn't have one that works for the trunk light bulb, so I'm not even bothering showing you that. So that's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.